Supershift is being promoted as a simple, visual calendar app for managing schedules and shifts, but the real question is whether it actually works as a general organizer, or if it's too niche. Now, the idea behind this isn't fake. Supershift is a real, highly rated scheduling app with millions of downloads and around 4.8 ratings, which is strong for productivity apps. However, here's the key point. It's excellent for shift scheduling, but limited as a full calendar organizer. There are some strong positives. First, very easy to use. The app focuses on quick scheduling with colors, icons, and templates, making it fast to organize your days. Second, great for shift workers. Features like rotating schedules, overtime and pay tracking, reports and summaries make it especially useful for jobs with irregular hours. User sentiment is generally positive. Easy-to-use UI helps me stay organized. That said, there are some downsides. First, not a full productivity system. It lacks task management deep, reminders collaboration tools. Second, some features are locked behind Pro. Things like calendar sync and cloud backup require a paid plan. So, is Supershift a good calendar organizer? Yes, but only for specific users. The bottom line is this. Supershift is a great, reliable app for shift workers and simple scheduling, but it's not a full-featured organizer. If you want a clean, visual planner for work schedules, it's worth it. But for advanced productivity or task management, it may feel limited. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.